we can actually touch real dinosaur bones. So we approach the Visitors Center, the Dinosaur National Monument, come up on the Stegosaurus. We're on the bus taking us up to the quarry hall.
As we drive to the quarry, we will be traveling through multiple rock layers. Each layer reveals a different time period and environment that existed here in the past. Please remain seated until the shuttle comes to a complete stop. You can start your visit to the quarry exhibit hall by walking up the ramp and entering the second floor doors.
There's the quarry exhibit hall. Let's go check out some fossils. Oh my goodness. Look at all these fossils. Wow. I built this building's built around this rock. Let's see it. It's like maybe a leg bone right there. This is absolutely incredible.
Sure you zoom in on the skull when you get up there.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. Since the friends returned floods drowned some dinosaurs and swept carcasses of others already dead. Huh. So the sand buried the bones. Huh. Whoa. The size of some of those bones. And up there is a skull. This new camera doesn't zoom in as far as I want it to, but still pretty good. Wow. Check. Only a couple. It's like one long leg bone up there, or two connected. Maybe I don't know. I don't know if that right there on the end is a part of the foot. Here it talks about the discovery. It says Earl Douglas discovered dinosaur bones here on August 17th, 1909. Only 5 days later, his journal records the first known visitors to the quarry. This is today 2 loads of people came from Vernal to see the dinosaur, and there were several loads from other places. Kind of all having like a picnic. Good. All walking out. Got the whole family out there. So they built, before they had this building built around it. Huh? No. It's another building. It looks like they took away this part of the building. This Earl Douglas found 8 tail bones of an immense sauropod dinosaur sticking out of the ground in 1909. He's a paleontologist from the Carnegie Museum in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Paleontologists have collected from almost 400 different dinosaurs. There are 1,500 fossils remaining. They are from 100 individuals. That is insane. Look at this. I mean, just think that all these millions of years ago, there looks like some ribs. Yeah. Right. Where's it at? You can see it in the rock right there. There's some vertebrae. A lot of vertebrae. Got some more up there. There. Little section right there. And it is just more leg bones, maybe some rib bones right in there. What else do we have? Some more. Another vertebrae right in there. That almost looks like it would be maybe like a pelvic bone of some sort, the way it is. So they have found sauropods here. Apatosaurus, Barosaurus, Camarasaurus, Diplodocus, Theropods, which are Allosaurus, Ceratophrys. I'm probably saying some of these wrong. Torvosaurus. I can't say that word. So some Stegosaurus. They found crocodiles, turtles, clams, insects, plants. start you off at the second level. Down here on the bottom. See some of those. A little bit closer. This is a Camarasaurus femur. The femur height, an adult would be 57 inches high for the femur. Body length 60 feet, body weight 25 tons. So this is a cast. What kind of... What? Cast of an Allosaurus. They lived 155 million years ago during the Jurassic period. Cast from the skull. Wow. Looks like the tail, rib bones. Right there, so we can, if I can zoom in on it some, right there. Looks like a vertebrae, I think, maybe. Yeah. So a little bit closer on some of these. Yeah, you can see the leg bone right there. Maybe another piece of a vertebrae. Oh, you can touch. So we can actually touch real dinosaur bones. Oh, wow. That is so cool. Can't believe they actually let you touch these. Wow. That is so cool. Can't believe we got to touch actual dinosaur bones. That's amazing.
All right.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, picture now, all right? I can take another. No, you're good. Thank you. Good. All right, thanks.
Leg bone.
Oh, neighbors. Yeah, that's right. We are. Yeah, actually, I have family in that.
They're 149 million years old.
our son and wife was out with our son.
Wow.
So we come to see us.
Yeah, that's pretty impressive, isn't it?
Yeah, very much so.
I didn't. We had a lot of fish, but
Yeah. It's nice to have those over the wall.
So cool.
that's pretty cool. It's like going into Rome or Greece. These are our ruins.
Oh, yeah, right on,
Right?
really.
So, dinosaurs. Oh, look at these benches made of bone. What is this? This is a Apatosaurus head. And Barosaurus skin impression. This turtle's from 149 million years ago. Wow. Hi. Look at this. Look how awesome that is. These dinosaur bones right behind me. How cool is that? All these dinosaur bones directly behind me. Right there. 149 million years. Pretty awesome. Dang. Just wonder what all, like each of these dinosaur bones, like what dinosaur these belong to. Like, are they the same dinosaur? Or are they just, because their bodies got washed down, they're all mingled together here. And so there's just a mix of different dinosaurs here. Gonna be a lot of work to figure that out. Alright guys, that does it here at the Dinosaur National Monument in Utah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please hit that like and subscribe button to keep up with the future videos.